So complete the table for level 4 and we could sketch. So so the number of dominoes in each level form a sequence or an ordered list. And so what did we add each time?
3.
We added 3. So that is our rate, what we're adding. So the number of dominoes in each level forms a sequence, an ordered list. Each number in the sequence is called a term. The nth term in the sequence can be written using either subscript, notation, or function notation, as shown in the table below. So a sub n is the term n in the term number. So we went over this briefly right before star. So when given the a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, that was our x, and then what we got out, what a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3 equaled was our y, and then we put that in stat for arithmetic sequence. And so we went over it just briefly right before star. We didn't do any work on it. So in function notation, the f of n is the term n is the term number. Yeah, it's the exact same thing. You're correct. So what is the first 3 terms in the sequence? So our first 3 terms is, first term is 4. Second one is 7. Our third term is what? 10. So what is the value of 4? So if you stick f of 4 in, so 4 is going to be 13. So how would you find the 5th term?
Just add 3.
Add 3. Very good. So can you find it? And yes, and you're going to add 3 to the 4th term, right? To the 4th level. So so an arithmetic sequence and have you ever heard of the word arithmetic?
Yeah, but I don't know what it is.
So think of your heartbeat. Have you seen what your heartbeat looks like? So your heartbeat is arithmetic. So when it is out of arithmetic, you have heart attacks. You can,
So is arithmetic just like
yeah, it keeps going. Mm-hmm.
it's a flat line?
Yeah, it's actually linear. Arithmetic sequence is linear because it's constant. Okay. So a sequence where the difference between consecutive terms is constant. The constant difference between the term is called the common difference. E-N-C-E. And if the domino sequence is the domino sequence arithmetic, and it's, of course, Yes. Because it has a constant ratio, a constant difference. Of 3. So if we go back and we think about linear, and we look at this, what would our slope be? What's our change? 3. So our m would be 3. What would our b be? What's our y-intercept?
4.
Would it be 4?
Yes.
Yep. Wait.
Wait, no, it would be 0.
So it's when x is 0.
So it would be
So, but what if we subtracted, we're adding 3. So if we subtract 3 from this, it would be 1. B would be 1. Very good. Now, if you did use 4, then 0 would be 4, and if you didn't use 1. And then you'd be just 1 off. But you could get the other numbers from the sequence. Okay. Okay, so look, you got A, B, C, D, and E. Let me give y'all a minute and see if you can figure out if it is arithmetic and find your common difference.